Hey everyone, I'm ExitSign250, and today will be Exit and Emergency, Episode 4. Starting on the other side of my room today, we have a generic all-LED emergency light. This particular one is rebranded by Lithonia as the EU2 LED. Technically speaking, Lithonia doesn't even rebrand these anymore. Well, like I said, technically, they do, but the model has changed. It's now called the EU2C. Not really sure why, as the specs look the exact same. I guess they just wanted to change up the model. Like I said earlier, this is just a typical Chinese generic emergency light that many companies rebrand, so nothing's really special about it, just a standard test, fully adjustable and all LED. You may see this head flicker throughout the video. I believe there's a shorted wire inside of it that I'll have to tear out because, like I said, Chinese quality. Moving on, we have another Lithonia product. This is Lithonia 6 ELM2B. Unlike the EU2 LED we just looked at, this is a genuine made Lithonia product and not just a rebrand. You can see it is black housing and it's also incandescent with reflectors. That's always a good sign. This model is intended to take a bigger battery to last longer in a power outage. However, I just have a standard 6-volt battery in there. So at the moment, it's just going to last for roughly 90 minutes. However, I can always put a bigger battery so it lasts longer. Let's go ahead and give it a test. Finally, above my door, we have the Dual-Lite's LPX exit sign. The one thing about the Dual-Lite's LPX series of exit signs and combos is the LEDs weren't the best. The series still is in production, and I believe they fixed the LED problem, but even when new, the LEDs are very, very dim. This particular one does have battery backup as well, which we can test. Kind of see it flicker there. Well, that's what's in my room. Let's simulate a power outage. We are now in emergency mode. Here's the generic emergency light, aka the Lithonia EU2 LED. Not sure how well you can see it, but this head right here is actually flickering. And I don't know if the camera will pick it up, or you can kind of tell from down here, but it's flickering. Kind of annoying. There it is, lighting up everything over here. Moving on, Lithonia 6 ELM2B. I love the look of these older incandescent emergency lights. There you go, lighting up everything. And then we move to the Dual-Lite's LPX exit sign, and you can obviously, it's illuminated. You can see it's illuminated. And then I can see my way to get out. So there you go. Into my dad's office, we have an all-pro APC all-LED exit sign combo. I got this for 15 bucks, which is a pretty good deal, brand new. I like these combos. Even though they do rub off a generic feel, I think they're a little bit better quality than generic. I mean, literally, it feels like generic. You can see it's pretty wobbly, and just the, it just feels generic, but I think it performs pretty well. Go ahead and press the test button. You can see the LED heads on it. This is another exit sign that I like the appearance of in my dad's office. It's compact, and, it kind of looks good in here. I know I said that about a lot of signs, but I'd put this one on the top 5 list. And there it is. I'd say this is pretty bright. At least decently bright. You can see there it is. The lighting coverage is okay. It's mainly just big spotlights, and you can see there's some dark areas, but overall it's okay. And there's my shadow. But, I can see to get around. And then the exit is this way. I think that's going to do it for this Exit and Emergency episode. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope to see you in another one.